Good morning, everyone. So, for today, we're going to Puerto Galera. Honey! I'm vlogging! Time check. It's 5:17 in the morning. We will try to catch the first jet. Although they only have one jet. They only have one jet going to Puerto Galera with the Roro. So, the drive from Manila to Batangas Port is roughly around 1 hour and 30 minutes without stopovers. But I think we will have breakfast first. Guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Batangas Port. And nakapila na kami dito sa papasok. Magbabayad ng terminal. Mahaba yung pila. Already 7:18 a.m. And guys, 8 a.m. yung alis ng Roro. So I hope makahabol kami. And it's very busy. Kasi weekends ngayon.
Kape. Section po.
Yun na nga, pinabalik kami kasi kailangan pala dumaan muna sa inspection. So, yun, it's a must na dumaan kayo sa inspection para hindi na kayo pabalikan. Good thing, hindi na masyado makaping.
100.
65.
5.
Yeah, mag-divide kami ng 65 pesos.
125.
Oh, no, 125. Magbabayad na kami dito para makasok sa Roro. Yung pila. I think exactly 8 a.m. sila magpapapasok. Nakabayad na kami. We paid 1,620 for the two of us. Nakasama yung motor. And currently, pumapasok na rin yung mga vehicles dito sa Roro. Ayan. So, sasakay na kami sa Roro. Okay. Where do you want to sit? You can sit.
Sorry? Going to the store.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
F me 7-Eleven dito. Hindi pa nagpapasakay ng passengers. Bibili muna kami sa 7-Eleven. I think I want hot coffee.
Hot coffee.
Yeah. Anong coffee meron kayo, kuya?
Wala po lang yung latte.
Brewed lang. Isang brewed. Maliit lang.
Large lang po.
Large lang. Magkano yun? May creamer naman kayo tsaka sugar. Yeah. Bola ba? Have you tried bola before? Not yet. So it's like pork. Like whole pork. How do I say that? I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a ground pork. Time check. What time is it? It's already 8:09. And I think it will take around 2 hours. I-edit mo na. Hi guys. Kakagising lang namin. We were able to take a nap. kasi free naman yung space namin dito.
Wala lang dyan.
Wala nang dyan. And dito na kami ngayon sa Balatero Port. We're just waiting for the ship to dock.
Safeguard.
Ayan, may energy na siya.
Walang
You have energy already because you slept, ha? Pero I remember we will pay 120 peso each. Ba't ang gulo ng dapat? For the environmental. Nagdadock na yung Roro. Kailangan namin mauna sa baba. Kasi park yung motor sa unahan. So, I'll just show you around pagbaba namin.
go down.
So, ito na guys. Pupunta kami ngayon sa amin. Ako na beach. Although, white beach lang naman sa...
Let's do it this way. Huh?
Huh? Nagbayad muna kami ng rental fee of 120 peso each. And napakaganda kami sa accommodation namin. Doon lang naman siya sa White Beach. So, hindi na namin kailangan mag-motor or mag-tricycle if ever na lalabas kami sa Boston. Ito yung daan papunta sa White Beach. Ayan. So, good thing may parking na rin naman yung in-stay natin. Dami ng dala. Ang exciting. Pala yung ito na pala yung in-stay namin. White Beach Guest House. Is this... No, we booked it online, right?
What?
We booked it online. Ayan, so we were able to check in early pero the power would be after 2 p.m. pa kasi early pa kami. So we just dropped our bags. So ito yung room na nakuha namin. So I think it's just enough. Decent naman siya. And it's really cheap, you know. As long as may aircon, may bed, and merong shower. Ayan, yan yung toilet niya. And the good thing is malapit sa home beach. So, ayan. Magpapalit lang muna ako ng damit before we go out again. Outfit check! So, ito yung outfit ko going out and riding the motorcycle. We don't really have an itinerary for today. Bale, we plan to go out just to eat muna. Kakain muna kami and then we'll find out saan kami next na pupunta. But I heard merong mga new attraction here sa Puerto Galera that wasn't here nung nagpunta kami. Hindi pa siya gawa. Or may mga places kami hindi napuntahan that time kasi we did a Mindoro loop and we don't have enough time para gala pa dito sa Puerto Galera. So, we'll just show you around it. So, we decided to visit muna yung Muelle here. It's just maybe 15 minutes away from the White Beach. And free entrance lang dito. So, what you can see here, dito nakapark yung mga yacht. Also, May mga kainan din dito.
Muffins.
And what's here, honey? And may mga old ship din na tourist, yun yung tourist, nila dito, spot. Yun. So, it's Mulye Cultural Heritage Park. So, here.
Hiking, Thailand.
So, we'll go here. So, dito rin kayo makakakuha ng mga tour for snorkeling, island hopping, and they said na mas mura dito sa Mulye compare sa other spots dito sa Puerto Galera. Wind farm. Yeah, I can see that. Is this for your boat or they just made this, honey?
Sorry?
They just made this.
Yeah, it's concrete. It's not a boat.
Oh, okay. This is Ponderosa. We're planning to go there later then. So, they're showcasing kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin dito sa Puerto Galera. Ito yung sa mga boat tours, dito sila pumaparada. Ito yung Google Picture. San Antonio. The Pristine Wall. Sabine. Poblacion. I think these are the barangays here in Puerto Galera. Palangan, Sabang, and Balatero. Ito yung port kung saan kami bumaba earlier. Saan may kasama ko? This is where we're gonna have our lunch kay Rexy's Bulalos. The overlooking view. I ordered goto with rice and my honey ordered
Beef tapa.
tapa. He's happy now. What is it?
I don't know how you say it in English. They're big. They're really
Big
big.
bats. Big bats.
We call them,
Big bats.
like we call bats vleermuizen. Huh?
What?
We call bats vleermuizen for mouse. But we call them vleerhonden, dogs.
Oh, like big ones.
Like big flying dog.
Flying dog.
Yeah.
So we're here at Ponderosa Golf Club. We went up here kasi few locals recommended na pumunta kami dito. So there's an overlooking view here. And also makita niyo yung windmill from here. It's very near. And ito yung pinaka-poging view.
The greedy Dutchman.
What greedy Dutchman? Yeah, the greedy Dutchman channel.
I will show you all the cheap spots in the Philippines.
So, subscribe to his channel. Oh, wow. There's the restaurant. I think I want to sit there. So I ordered hot chocolate, and for you, my love, what did you order? Cappuccino.
cappuccino.
Yeah. But I remember we were here on the weekday. So we're here at the White Beach. It's very busy.
Not more busy.
Yeah.
I really thought it was lost glory. Yes.
We don't really have plans for tonight. We're just gonna chill here sa beach. Maybe go somewhere later for a drink. Then tomorrow we'll continue the tour. So, nagpa-plan pa lang kami where to go actually. We ate there, honey.
Where? Oh, you with
With Chamil and Joe.
the tuna.
Yeah. It's a lot. They're eating blood. You have something like that, the Netherlands.
Good.
Is it the same? I want with the vinegar.
Okay. Doesn't have that much taste.
Babalik
Yeah.
na tayo sa ano? Pattern.
Just eat it all. Doesn't really taste like meat.
So it's our day 2 here in Puerto Galera. And today is Sunday, so we're gonna head to church first before we start our day. And then after nun, tsaka kami magdadala. So we're planning to go to Aplayang Munti. And after that, sa Mangyan Village. And we'll see after kung saan kami pupunta next. We just arrived here sa church. We're a bit early. 9 pa yung start. And it's the feast of Santo Niño.
Let's go inside.
The Mass is ended. Go in peace. Thanks be to God. Happy Christmas, Lord.
We're done with the mass. We're gonna eat brunch here. Here's the viewpoint. Kasi may view dito. Viewpoint na.
Hello.
You don't get that.
Oh, view. So, ito yung in-order ko. Tapsilog with a latte. And for my love, he ordered special fried rice with half banana.
Banana shake.
Only half. Yeah. Look at the view. Wow. Very nice. And now, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Aplaya Munti. So, ito yung kanilang notice. Bawal magdala ng outside food and drinks. Entrance fee is 50 pesos. So, you can swim here too. And it's a pebble beach. Hindi siya sand. They have food and drinks. Ayan. So if you just want to chill, tahimik lang, yan, they have. Huh? So, may entrance fee sila na 50 pesos. Pero, free naman yung tables and chair. So, you can chill here if gusto nyo lang ng tahimik na spot here sa Puerto Galera. So, this is the best choice. And, very calm lang yung water dito. Hindi siya maalan. So, we'll try to swim here as well. May shower area din naman sila. You can change and take a shower. So, ayun yung view. Very nice. And later, may grotto dun. Kaya, somewhere there, may grotto. So, akit kami dyan later. So, I could show you the grotto. Papunta na kami sa grotto. Ayan. Can we go up there? Or is there a... I think you can't go up there. Hindi kami nakaakyat sa grotto kasi walang access from here. Although pwede ka naman umakyat dun sa mga rocks. But hindi na ako umakyat kasi medyo mahirap siya akyatin. Although meron siyang separate na access sa labas nitong itong Aplayamonte. And right now, we're just chilling here sa beach. Kumuha lang si Mil ng drinks namin. So,
Hello!
we're now heading to Sabang Beach. So this is the street.
Buildings why? Maybe they know the times of the ferry. Yeah.
Is there a ferry here? So ito yung...
Oh, I think that's a party.
Oh wow.
Bikini bar.
Bikini.
You can go with a boat there.
Yeah.
If you wanna go there, boss, you wait there.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Have free boat.
Thank you.
Pag pumunta kayo doon, pagpunta lang kayo dyan. Sa may pier.
Ah.
Ayun kasi yung boat niya, yun. Yung kulay pula.
Ah, okay.
Ay, doon po kayo maghintay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't know there's a lot of food place here. It's nice to
Where
walk.
the island?
Huh?
Where the island?
Yeah.
Be your room. Be your room.
Funny, we didn't know there's something like this here in Sabang.
I need to move some things.
Ang ganda pala
Get
dito.
some resorts here on the top.
Yeah. Marami ring resorts here sa Sabang. And sabi, if we want to go there sa Bikini Bar, libre lang naman yung boat ride going there. Pero wala siyang sand dito. So, hindi ka makakapagliwaliw. So, we decided na bumalik muna sa accommodation namin since wala naman masyadong ganap sa may Sabang Beach. Although, if bet mo lang mga gimmick, ganun, dyan, marami dyan sa may Sabang. Pero now, before kami umakyat sa room namin, bibili muna si Mel ng shirt niya kasi wala na siyang shirt para mamayang gabi. And also, bibili na rin pala ako ng mga souvenirs dito sa may White Beach kasi marami rin ganda dito sa may White Beach. And walking distance lang naman from our room.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
And now we're heading to the White Beach again. So this is our last night in Puerto Galera. Actually, we were planning na mag-extend yesterday, but we decided not to kasi really have to go now. Get this please. Pero bago kami pumunta sa Jam House.
We're going to the gentleman's club. To the
Ata.
gladiator.
Ano eh. Siguro kakain muna kami ng dinner. Ayan, may fire dance na naman. Let's watch. Naabutan na namin this night. Kahapon kasi hindi eh. So here's our dinner. Chicken with spaghetti. Same kami. And this is where we eat. Very affordable. So I hope it's good.
You're too strong. So strong now.
Yung chicken medyo mapayat lang. Hi guys, so it's our third and last day here sa Puerto Galera. And right now, we already prepared na makauwi sa Manila. We packed our bags already, but we'll just get some breakfast kasi 12 p.m. pa naman yung checkout namin dito sa ini-stayan namin. So, after that, siguro kuha na rin kami ticket din sa port kasi along the way lang din naman siya kung saan kami magbe-breakfast. So, dito na kami sa Bayview Hub. This is where we're gonna click our first.
And the water fell off.
Wow. Told you.
This is the least in the sun.
So, ito yung in-order namin. I have latte also and pancakes. Well, his is the preview breakfast and this is the view. Right now, nandito kami sa may coffee place near the port. It's already 12 p.m. And at exactly 1 p.m. nagpapasok kami sila sa Oro. So we're just waiting na makapasok kami. And kanina nakabili na naman kami ng ticket. So this is where we're gonna have some. We're boarding the ship now.
Tor! Wala na, Ter. Wala. Ika na lang.
Lusan.
Where?
Center. You get up.
So, dito kasi ako nakamelit. And it will take 2 hours. Going to Batangas Port. And it's 1 hour before the decision. Na guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog pagbalik namin ng Manila kasi medyo pagod na rin and gusto na lang namin mag-rest after everything. Pero overall, super fun talaga na experience namin as in worth it lahat from the beach, sa food, hanggang sa chill moments lang namin doon. Honestly, iba talaga yung vibe ng Puerto Galera. Ang ganda ng water, ang relaxing ng paligid, tapos ang dandi lang balik-balikan. Kaya naman, this won't be our last time. Talagang babalik kami dito. So, until our next vlog, bye guys!